Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 20 woodworking tools making waves in 2025, helping you work smarter, faster, and with greater precision. Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Collection. Tired of your shop looking like a sawdust crime scene? Meet the Cen-Tec Quick Click Dust Collection System, a 20-foot hose superhero. It connects almost any power tool to your shop vac, stays kink-free, boosts airflow, and swaps fittings faster than you can say, "Where'd my dust go?" Universal Bench Grippers. The Universal Bench Grippers provide a durable, high-friction, non-marring surface that securely holds projects in place while protecting both the workpiece and work surface. They create a stable, elevated, non-slip platform ideal for woodworking, sanding, routing, painting, assembly, and carving. Each gripper can support up to 1,000 pounds, making them useful for stabilizing heavy furniture, appliances, or machinery. JointMate. Installing a door lock shouldn't feel like brain surgery. The JointMate door lock kit makes it foolproof. With cobalt hole saws that chew through wood or metal, adjustable guides for any door, and a bushing that keeps your jigs safe. Perfect holes, zero drama. Even your door will thank you. Chainsaw, the Ego. 35cc gas-equivalent chainsaw features a high-efficiency brushless motor, delivering power comparable to a 35cc gas chainsaw, reaching up to 6,800 RPM for clean, efficient cuts. It can make up to 250 cuts per charge on a 4x4 with the included 5.0 amp-hour battery and is compatible with all Ego batteries. Belt Disc Sander. The Buck Tool Bench Belt Disc Sander features a 1/3 horsepower, 2.3 amp motor running at 3,590 RPM, delivering 25% more sanding efficiency than belt-driven motors for faster, smoother sanding. It has a 1x30-inch belt and 5-inch disc suitable for woodworking, furniture refinishing, and general DIY projects. Trend Hole Saw Sets. The Trend Hole Saw Set features a steel body with 1.27 millimeters thickness and M42 high-speed steel with 8% cobalt teeth for durable, heat-resistant cutting. Its variable pitch tooth design ensures smooth, fast cuts with reduced vibration, while it can cut through wood, aluminum, steel, stainless steel, brass, cast iron, plasterboard, and plastic. Log Splitter. Think your axe is tough? Wait till you meet the Built Hard Log Splitter, a 15-amp, 6.5-ton beast that chews through 20-inch logs like breakfast. Fast resets, all-steel build, and fume-free power. Safe, silent, and seriously strong. This splitter's the upgrade your back's been begging for. STS Stock Guides. Say goodbye to wandering wood. The STS Stock Guides grip your workpiece tight with spring-loaded power, keeping cuts clean and kickback-free. Their fifth rollers pull boards snug to the fence, while stainless steel muscles handle years of sawdust abuse. Fits most table saws. Precision just found its bodyguard. Woodturning Steady Rest. Wobbly spindles ruining your masterpiece? Meet the Woodturning L-Type Lathe Steady Rest, the cast iron guardian of smooth turning. With 3 adjustable wheels gripping spindles down to 1/2 inch, it kills vibration, laughs at corrosion, and adjusts without tools. Your lathe's new best friend, steady, strong, and drama-free. 3-in-1 Staple Nail Steel Gun Kit. The 3-in-1 Staple Nail Steel Gun Kit features premium steel construction for durability and long-lasting performance. This multifunctional stapler fastens staples, U-staples, and brad nails, and comes with 600 complementary staples. Its adjustable driving force adapts to different materials, making it ideal for upholstery, flooring, woodworking, furniture, and DIY projects. Laguna Revo. Tired of your lathe acting like it's on caffeine? The Laguna Revo lathe brings calm, controlled power with a 3-horsepower motor and variable speed up to 1,725 RPM. Whether it's a 24-inch or 36-inch model, it's rock solid, smooth, and built to outlast your turning obsession. Pruning Shears. Tired of wrestling with stubborn branches? The Pruning Shears turn pruning into a breeze. With a brushless motor, SK5 steel blades, and 28mm cutting power, they slice cleanly every time. Slim, comfy, and packed with safety features. Your garden chores just got way more fun. Stile Router Bit. The Stile Router Bit features award-winning, solid high-strength steel bodies machined with CNC precision. Multi-axis carbide grinding ensures maximum sharpness and longevity, while induction brazing creates a strong bond between carbide tips and steel. A silver non-stick coating provides easy maintenance and long-lasting performance, making it ideal for precision woodworking and professional-grade projects. Bandsaw urethane tires. The urethane bandsaw tires fit any 14-inch bandsaw requiring a 1-inch wide, 3/32 thick tire. Quick adhesive-free installation ensures uniform thickness for optimal blade tracking, excellent traction, and proper crowning, preventing blade damage. They improve productivity, extend blade life, and feature a bright orange color for easy inspection. 12-inch precision bar clamps. The 12-inch precision bar clamps provide 300 pounds of clamping force, keeping workpieces securely in place during woodworking or construction projects. Their twist-lock mechanism allows strong, one-handed operation, while rubber jaws protect surfaces from marring. Adjustable metal face clamps. The adjustable metal face clamps are ideal for pocket hole joinery, woodworking, welding, and general projects. Each set includes 2 clamps with 3-inch wide jaws that hold materials up to 2 3/4 inches thick. Thumbscrew knobs allow quick jaw adjustments, while swivel pads evenly distribute clamping force and protect surfaces from damage. Biscuit Joiner. The Biscuit Joiner features a powerful brushless motor for smooth, efficient cuts through hardwoods. It offers tool-free adjustable cutting depth up to 0.87 inches and a versatile fence adjustable from 0 degrees to 90 degrees with 5 lock-in detents. Its ergonomic, compact design with a slim grip and large auxiliary handle ensures comfort and precise control during extended use. 10-inch sliding miter saw. Say goodbye to guesswork. The 10-inch sliding miter saw packs a 15-amp motor, dual speeds, and TCT blades to cut wood, PVC, and soft metals like a pro. With sliding rails, extendable tables, and a laser guide, it's precise, comfy, and ready to make every cut look like magic. Rockler Router Fluting Jig. The Rockler Router Fluting Jig makes it fast and easy to route perfectly spaced flutes for columns, molding, or furniture parts. It slides smoothly along boards up to 9.5 inches wide on 2 low-friction underside rails, with a rotor mounted to a pre-drilled acrylic centerpiece that moves laterally for consistent fluting. 3-inch bed risers. The 3-inch bed risers raise beds and furniture by 3 inches, improving ergonomics and creating extra under-furniture storage space. Each riser features a 1-inch deep recessed holder cup with a memory foam cushion to securely lock in casters, bed wheels, or furniture legs up to 3 inches round or 2.1 inches square. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. We hope you discovered some tools to add to your workshop. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more woodworking insights and reviews.